Right, next room. Here's of course the spare room. Of course. Which of course is a medium carpet. And of course use Protect Plus tool today. So Miele Cx1 Blizzard is getting good. Start how that Miele Protect tool just cleans this carpet effortlessly. But one time it wasn't effortless because when this was new it was a bit tough, but now I've seen to acclimatise to the use of using the protector on this carpet. But of course the spare room is of course a model railway and study room, but it used to be known as bedroom 2. Because it was, because I used to sleep in this room when I was a child. There was a radiator on the wall over there, and all of this, of course, was not here. My table was where more or less went there. Well, that plus the printer and the stocking delivery to wagon load storage box. Budge it up, now never budge. We'll have it in Barbieland. All the multis are. Everything will be clean as place. Everything will be clean as place. Not right. It did Miele. Can't keep on going like this because it's not going to be losing energy for the rest of the cleaning. It did Miele. Bunch looking at never work. Walking and walking. I just have to work. I just have to work. I think that's why it doesn't work. Right, it's on to the next room.